Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use variation swatches in WooCommerce to enhance product pages. Now before we start, I have to notify you again that if you are planning to complete this task successfully, you're gonna have to pay for a WordPress plan. You have to use the paid version. As you can see, I didn't pay for this version in this account, but if you follow the instructions I will say verbally, you'll be able to complete this task and install and use variation swatches for WooCommerce. Now let's dive in to these few steps we're gonna do. The first step is to install a variation swatches plugin. Now, before you do that, you have to access your WordPress account. And to do so, just go to wordpress.com and enter your account credentials and log in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. From here, go to plugins and search for variation swatches. Right here and search for it. See the results. This one is powered by WooCommerce. Now, if you paid for the WordPress subscription, you will be able to upgrade and activate the plugin. As you can see, I can't upgrade this because I have a free version. Now, you have to once you install it and activate it, the second step is to set up product attributes. Go to products in WooCommerce here. In WooCommerce, go to products, then attributes, then add attributes like color or size, and configure the terms like red, blue, and assign them to products. Now for the third step is to enable swatches for variation. It is a variable product, and go to the variation tab and click the attribute, choose swatch as the display type. And that's it. If you follow these steps I said, you're gonna be able to use variation swatches for WooCommerce. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.